Um, this is yours truly, the Forex Rockstar. It's been a minute, everybody. It's been a minute. But we thank God. We thank God for His grace, and we thank God. I'm still here, everybody. As you guys can see, I'm just going to show you the same. I don't understand. Like you see what's going on in the market, and then I wonder if people are really watching and learning. I mean, if you watch my videos by now, you should be getting like the vault of what's going on. Like, I'm on that level now where I see the market as simple as and straightforward as it can be. You understand? There is no reason to stress in the market. There is no reason for you to be scratching your head when I've created something so phenomenal. Like, it's that simple. You don't need to stress yourself a lot about what's happening in the market. I'm always saying now that you just need to follow the rules. I just I just tell my people the rules, and they follow the rules, and they always prove themselves. Some people thought the market was crashing today, but they don't know what I know about the market. And that's why they were panicking a lot. So I'm just going to go through a few pairs just to show you what I'm talking about. Let's look at the GBP JPY over there. I mean, this was happening today. The market came and formed a low like this was our initial low of the day. And then they moved up, formed, and came here to form our low of the day. You check. Like, you see this stuff. Now it's so simple in the sense that I remember during my last session with my students, I sent them like the times, like how to expect this thing. You see that it moved, formed a W over there, hunting for stop losses. And then afterwards, they move up straight just like that. You check, like 179 pips. It's that simple, man. That's $1,170 in a space of less than like 3 hours or so. But you do not have to scratch yourself or scratch your head about the market so much. You just had to follow the rules. When there's stuff or setups that when I see them, like I know already that, okay, this is my time to eat. That's how simple this is. You learn patience. You learn simplicity of the market. And every one of my students is excited because they've been struggling with the market for a long time now. But I'm making it very much simple for them. I'm showing you stuff that was happening today in the market. You see this? This is a good W setup right here. But you have to be patient and wait for these setups to fully mature. Like there are some trades that I entered here, but then I think it was a GBP NZD, the one that I entered. You see that? You see that? It's clean and clear, just like that. Look at that. 74 pips and less than 2 hours as well. But look at this one, the one that I entered. I entered the GBP NZD. You must know that I like this pair. So it formed a W setup down here. And I knew that something was going on. When I saw them stalling here, I knew that, okay, something might be going on. They were trying to intimidate these guys who use all these silly, mechanics or systems in the market, and after hunting for stop losses, they did not hesitate to move the market. I think this was about 70 to 100 pips. They did not hesitate to move the market just like that. They did not hesitate. Look at that. They move the market 138 pips in like 30 minutes. 30 minutes, 138 pips. $1,380 in 30 minutes. You see now? So, I took off early in this trade, but I was in it. I didn't want to stay so much in it because, most of my trades, I put in some weight there, you know. But it's the same stuff. You need to understand the market, understand what's causing the movement in the market, what's causing the motion in the market. Don't just follow these, charts. They can be a bad setup if you don't understand what's what in the market and what's the motion in the market. I love yours truly. Go and check out my website, www.forexrockstar.co.za. I'll be communicating from there, I think from now to whether you want to see my services, whatever you want to see. Go to www.forexrockstar.co.za. God bless you. We love you so much. Yours truly. My next beginners class is this Saturday. So for those of you who want to sign up, it's this Saturday. That is when my next beginners class is on. It's this Saturday, the 17th of February. So God bless you. I love you so much. You can email me either from the website or send me a direct email at forexrockstar@01@gmail.com. God bless you. I love you so much. Yours truly signing out.